This is a quick update video on the damage to the bike after crashing. The bike's really dirty right now. I just got back from riding in the rain. I'm getting ready to do an oil change too. If you haven't seen the video of when I crash, I'll link it in the description in the video. You can see it. So the only thing that got damaged in the fall were these. The head crash protectors. They just got scuffed up a little bit. Everything else is in good condition. The bar ends weren't scratched, the mirror wasn't scratched. The shield's in good condition as well. Nothing down here was scratched at all, which is a surprise. Thought it would have been a whole lot worse. Yeah, the bike's real filthy right now, but the exhaust is fine. Nothing got scratched on that. On the wheel, the indicators are fine. So that seems to be the only damage to the bike. Could have been a whole lot worse. Still beauty.